And as you can see, I am going to plus base form verb. Okay, I'm going to climb. I'm going to with the base form verb that we've covered in the class. And I am going to buy a new home. I am going to buy base form verb. Okay, I am going to buy a new home. What are you going to do in the future? Hint, hint. Okay, students, can you guess today's grammar point, it says? Can you guess today's grammar point? Okay, so the grammar point is the simple future tense with be going to and simple, guys. Hint, hint, something you'll be asked what you're going to do in the future. Simple, okay? I'm not going to make it too difficult. The grammar point is the simple future tense with be going to. And I've covered 3 things, perhaps. You will be asked to cover 3 things. The grammar point is the simple future tense with be going to. You can use be going to for, please make sure you know this, I might have made this into a true or false question. Plans that are already made and predictions, guesses about the future that are possible results of actions happening in the present right now. Okay, so you can use be going to for plans that are already made. They're already made. And predictions, guesses about the future that are possible results of actions happening in the present. Okay, please remember that, it's important. Okay, predictions, guesses about the future that are possible results of actions happening in the present right now. And as you know, another way to express the simple future tense is to use will. Okay, and make sure you remember this, you can use will for da-da-da's, okay? So another way to express the simple future tense is to use will. And you can use will for future plans, decisions that are made at the moment of speaking. No planning. So they're made right now. Future plans, like I will finish this, then go eat my dinner, my lunch. Okay? Future plans, decisions that are made at the moment of speaking. No planning. Okay? You've just made the decision now. I will go eat my lunch in the cafeteria, then I will upload these YouTube videos and make your fantastic Mr. Foxes, then I will go home. Simple, okay? Number 2, strong predictions, strong guesses about the future. You can also use will for strong predictions, strong guesses about the future. Okay, so we've got strong predictions, strong guesses about the future, and promises and offers to help. I will come to your home and help you clean. I will go to the doctors with you. I will loan you money. Okay, promises and offers to help. Okay, students, now let's cover modals. Modals are used to add extra information to the sentence. Okay, so you will be given an exercise on modals. Okay, so now let's cover modals. Modals are used to add extra information to the sentence. Put the following modals, might, can, should and must into the box on the next slide, please. Okay, so make sure you know this. Put the following modals, might, can, should and must into the box on the next slide, please. Okay, so which one is to give advice? Which one is to show necessity? Which one is to show possibility? And which is to show ability? Okay, so put the following modals, might, can, should and must, okay, might, can, should, must, into the box on the next slide. 1, 2, 3, 4 modals, which ones go where, and to give advice, which one? It is going to rain, you take an umbrella. To show necessity, you have a visa to visit Korea. To show possibility, the weather is bad, we not go to the beach. And to show ability, Roberto speak 3 languages. So which function are the modals? What function? Which one is to give advice? What's to show necessity? What's to show possibility? And what's to show ability? Okay, and the answers. Okay. Might, can, should, must. Make sure you know them, okay? And okay, so just go back to the PPT, like to show ability, can. To show possibility, might. To show necessity, must. To give advice, should. Okay? As you know, yeah? So should would go here, must, might, can. Simple. Okay, students, true or false quiz time. Make sure you know this. A good paragraph has a topic sentence that states the main idea, and you'll recognise this from week 13. There is a reason, because I'm going to give you a true and false quiz, okay? A good paragraph has a topic sentence that states the main idea. Is that true or false? All of the sentences in the paragraph are about one topic. Is that true or false? And a good paragraph has a sufficient number of supporting sentences. Is that true or false? And the last sentence or the concluding sentence is an opinion, a summary or prediction. Okay, so please remember this, true or false quiz time. A good paragraph has a topic sentence that states the main idea. All of the sentences in the paragraph are about one topic. And a good paragraph has a sufficient number of supporting sentences. True or false, the last sentence or the concluding sentence is an opinion, summary or prediction. And as I'm sure you all know by now, all of the previous statements are true. Please remember that for your final exam, okay? I am strongly trying to help you. Okay, so as I'm sure you all know, all of the previous statements are true. Please remember that for your final exam. So, okay students, have a look at the next PPT and try to guess where is it, okay? So, simple, I've not made this difficult for you. Have a look at the next PPT and try to guess where is it. And we covered this in week 13, okay? And as you can remember, the beautiful fall leaf, which Korea looks very beautiful in fall, especially when you're hiking like Dobong-san and things like that. And where is this? Well, as we know, it's in Namsan Tower. Okay, so did you guess correctly? Namsan Tower. Okay, it is, of course, Namsan Tower. And look at the following paragraph and underline the correct articles. A and the and no article. 0 means no article, so obviously in your final exam there's going to be a simple article. Underline the correct article. So you're going to be underlining a and the or 0, but obviously it's not going to be about Namsan Tower. I will change it. Okay? So it is, of course, Namsan Tower. Look at the following paragraph and underline the correct article, a and the 0. And 0 means no article. So Namsan Tower is in a and the Seoul. It is on top of a and the hill. It is maybe a and the most famous tower in Korea. Okay. And which ones do we have? We do. Did you guess correctly? I hope you did, because I only taught you last week. Namsan Tower is in Seoul. It is on top of a hill. It is maybe the most famous tower in Korea. And in your exam, just underline the correct answer, please. Okay, underline the correct answer. Okay, students, in class, many professors will often ask you about your opinion. Try to guess the following verbs you can use to express an opinion. And once again, we covered this in week 13. I'm using a lot of week 13 so that this exam is not too difficult. Okay? So, in class, many professors will often ask you about your opinion. Try to guess the following verbs you can use to express an opinion. And I gave you these 5 here. Okay, so one more time, just unravel them, unscramble them, please. So, okay. Iabludd, leaf, hict tinny, and Griai and Sri Abada, or whatever, okay, they obviously, did you guess them correctly? I'm sure you did. Okay, the answers are as follows. Here we go, and please remember, we're going to use these 5 to write an opinion. That's why I'm covering it a lot. Okay, so believe, feel, think, agree, and disagree. Okay, so believe, feel, think, agree, disagree. Okay, so examples.